that sort of thing. And we've raised a lot of money, and we'll be paying for the pipes and all the fittings to get the water from the actual pump, from the source, up to wherever we're going to take it. So at the end of it, the pumps have been donated, all the pipes and equipment's been donated by us. So hopefully when we leave in 2 weeks' time, you'll have a pump that's working to provide running water with no electricity, it doesn't take electricity, for the dairy unit. So that is our plan and our aim before we leave in 2 weeks. So that is why we are here to bring. I think basically that covers what we're... What's to get the levels?
Can't we just go across?